back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got it up crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure, even if it mean I'm bleeding.
Hey, yo.
Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing.
What up, chat?
Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into
How y'all feeling? Welcome in.
Walk, 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 I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome in.
Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
All right, W's in the chat. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We walk. We walk. How y'all doing? Good to see you guys here today. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. Hope you guys are having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you're at. Cheers, mates. It's going to be a good session here today. Yes, sir. Louis G in the building. What up, Louis G? What up, Z Gamer is in the house. Xander's in the building. What up, George VDM? Yo, yo. What up, boys? What up, Gotta Trade? Man, oh, man. What a wrench. Oh, yo, yo. Check out Motion here. Check out Motion. Yanosh is in the building. What up, Yanosh? What up, AB Mike? What's up, Energy? Chala's in the building. OGH. I see you, OGH. What's good, what's good, what's good? Dropout Trader. Pete the G in the building. Where my 8-figure traders at? Where the 8-figs at? What up, Michael? What up, Jimmy Williams? Traders X in the building. Yo, yo. What's up, Fire Blaster? What's good, guys? What's good, girls? How y'all feeling? Feeling 8. Stephen B is in the building. What up, Tamra? What up, Buzz Blab? All right. What up, Adrian Freedom? Energy. What up, Energy? All right, one sec here, chat. All right, perfect. What's good, Christian? What up, Christian? What up, Kelvin? Kelvin in the building. Let's go, Kelvin. Big month, baby. Big month, Kelvin. All right, my bad. Let me share my screen here. My bad, I'm a little late. I was outside just amazed at the sunrise here this morning and hanging out by the pool, and yeah. But yeah, it is still early morning here. It's 7 a.m. So we're gonna get the party started and get going here today. Just give me one more minute. All right, cool. All right, how's the music today? Should we lower it a little bit? Let me lower it a little bit more. That should be good. What's up, Jelly J? Mr. BTC in the building. Music's good. All right, awesome guys. Well, welcome in, welcome in. I'm ready to go. Hope you guys had a great morning so far. It's a new day. It is Tuesday. It is the 4th day of June here, and we are ready to rock and roll, man. Ready to rock. So let me send the Zoom link, and then we are getting the party started. Okay, perfect. Hold on, let me stop sharing, because when I'm sharing and I go get the Zoom link, y'all be whistling in here. Somehow you guys press pause or something and grab my my meeting ID info. Yo, I don't blame you guys though. I really don't. If I was you, I'd do it too. Meeting info. Okay, cool. Let me just send the Zoom link out, and then we're gonna rock and roll here. All right, sweet. All right, Zoom link is out. Let me reshare my screen, and we are ready to rock. Raja Banks is here. Hey, big W. Big W. If that's true, what's up, Raja? Hope you're doing well. If it's true. you got a lot of Raja imitators, you know what I mean? All right, cool. We're good to go. Let me reshare the screen, and let's get it popping here today. All right. So welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Let me pray for you guys real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we thank you for a new day. Lord, we ask that you would bless it. We thank you for all that you've given us. We know that it all comes from you. We're grateful. We're humbled by how amazing you are, Lord. I pray that you go before us today, that you bless and encourage the hearts of those coming in and out of this live stream. And we just give you all the glory, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen, amen. Let's do it. Let's do it. The real Raja Banks in the house. What up, Raja? Hope you're doing well, man. Thanks for coming by. I don't see him, but I appreciate him coming by and dropping in and saying hello. Yeah, so let's get into the day here. Today, again, is the 4th. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined here, to be patient, and to be professionals, right? This is a craft. This is a profession. It's a business, right? And if you treat it like so, it will pay you like so. And that's what we're going to do here today, like we do every day, is just follow the plan, right? As long as you're following your plan, following your systems, following your playbook, day in and day out, the results will be random, but by the end of the month, by the end of the year, you should be in the net positive, right? So we're gonna stick to being professionals here today, and let's lock it in here. So again, today is the 4th day of June. It's Tuesday, so it's the 2nd day of the week here. You've got a red folder with Jolt's job openings, and that's really it, right? That's the only thing like threatening here, red folder wise today, and that's not going to be till 10 a.m., which is the tail end of our session. So we are pretty much chilling, man, throughout this entire session. We've got we're clean for 8 o'clock or 8 a.m. We're clean for NY Open 8:30. We're clean for NYSE Open. So everything should flow pretty nicely here today. So let's go ahead and do a breakdown. Let's take a look at the charts and see where we're at here today and how we can plan some execution. All right, if you guys haven't liked the stream here, as you settle in, give the stream a like for me, and let's do a top-down analysis. What's up, DT Gamer? OGH in the building. What up, OGH? All right, let's do a top-down analysis here. Let's start on the daily time frame, and let's take a look at what's going on, because it doesn't look too pretty here. All right, not looking too pretty on the daily. Let's actually peep at the weekly real quick, and as we begin this top-down analysis. So as you can see, like, the weekly closed bearish last week. So mainly what's going on is price has been bullish, right? We've been moving up, and you know, we've kind of ran out of steam at this point. So we kind of ran up this big sprint, and now we are just kind of catching our breath, right? As you can see, like, we have created a pretty strong support. You also have a very strong resistance here, and this is basically your range, right? You're just chopping around within this yellow zone here on the weekly time frame. So you know, we are looking for some sort of a breakout. If you can close, you know, back below support here, then you may be coming down towards like 2160. If you can plant a support, you know, there's enough room on the weekly to go ahead and look for positions to drive upward too as well, right? So weekly, all in all, is just in a range right now. Last week we closed very small weak bearish candle, so we're kind of losing steam as we approach this support. We're gonna see what happens in this area. Let's take a look at the daily time frame as well. Daily is super choppy, right? As you can see, the daily time frame is literally just, you have support, you have basically resistance here, and that's your range, right? That's your range on the daily. Very tough, right? Very, very tough. You got you know, price came down, created support, gave you that resistance, and it looked pretty good, right? If this candle would have maybe closed below support, or, you know, it did close bullish, and we, you know, could have ran up and closed outside of the range, but didn't really get nothing. So right now we're just kind of printing, right? It's like this barcode type of strategy going on right now. Is you know, you're bullish and bearish and now bullish again, and you know, this candle is moving down pretty aggressively here. We're about to come into the support, so we'll see what happens as we approach that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 4-hour time frame, so we can see where we are headed. So okay, so 4-hour has a pretty strong support coming down here right now. This is a overall support level, I would say. If we look left, right, we kind of see where we are. We're kind of in this overall support level here. You do have the most recent fresh support sitting there, right? So I think if you can close below, we can probably travel down and tap into that support, which is about 80, you know, 80 pips away. And then if you kind of fill that wick, you're looking at like over 100 pips there. So really very curious to see what's going to happen around this area right here, right? Of support, a lot of rejections here, support here, resistance, right? So very curious to see what we do right around this area, which is like 2330, and how we react here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour. So 1 hour gets a bit choppy here. Let's see, did you close below? I don't think you did you close below here? Yeah, you slightly closed below, right? So you slightly closed below, therefore the next level of support is about, you know, right here at like 23, what is that, 23.25. Overall, it's like a 47 pip range. From like an entry here, it's like a 35 pip range. So let's go ahead and see what the 30 looks like. 30 is not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. You didn't really get a bottom wick here, but all in all, you're very bearish, right? So you come up, you create that resistance, you get a nice bearish closure, and this looks pretty good. I think if I was on the charts, I may have been interested in this. And now you're beginning to fill that wick there. So let's see what happens at that wick fill. If you're in, you probably got about 20-25 pips here, and then you got support coming down. So this is where overall where price wants to head to, which is 23.24. So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. We're late on this, or I'm late on this, right? I just got to the desk here, so I'm not in this. I'm not gonna get in this. I'm just gonna wait for some more candles to close and see what happens within this overall range right here, right? We're coming in to fill that wick now, so we'll see what happens on that wick fill. But basically, this is the range you're currently in, and you know, it's too late for me to take a sell right here. So just gonna wait, just gonna sit tight, see how this candle closes, and go from there, right? You've got more clean range coming down towards 23.16 today. The buys are a bit sketchy from 23.30. I think they're excuse me, I think they're much better above 23.34, and then you've got a bunch of clean traffic on the way up there. So yeah, so too late for me on this entry here, but let's go ahead and map out further zones here. So sells are looking really good below 24, right? So I'm going to look to take potential sells below 24 here. You've got a nice clean range of about 90 pips here. So nice clean range of about 90 pips coming down. Let's make this gray. Honestly, I'm not too interested in this. You had very little to no bottom wick here as well on that, and you've just been pushing down, man. Damn. Where's Raja? Holy damn, right? You just been pushing downtown. So yeah, I think I want to see a better resistance than that. But if you guys are in this, I think you should have had like 20 pips at this point, maybe 25. So congratulations. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit tight and wait. Buys aren't too bad above here, but I think they're better above, what is this, 34 here. But I'm gonna keep this area in mind, see what happens. Like if you get this candle to close very What is this? Let's see the hourly candle here. If you get this hourly candle to close very weak and not blast through these supports, then there's a potential impulse entry NY open, right, on the break of this high right here for price to come up and fill that wick. So we'll see how this candle closes. If it closes very weak, then I may be interested in taking some buys coming back up. You have no top wick here. You know, that would be somewhat of a target. And then, you know, reevaluating after that and seeing if we can come back down later. So that's what I'm going to look for here today. Potential buys above 23.29. Whoops, wrong thing. 23.29. Sells below 24. And yeah, I'm late on this trade, so I'm not going to touch anything here. This will basically be like a no trade range for me right now. Yeah, so this will be like a no trade range. Buys look super clean up until like 23.40. Notice how that top wick lines up perfectly with some of these levels here to the left. So it makes sense. A lot of confluence, a lot of conditions giving us a good read on price here. So that's going to be the day for me as of 7:19 a.m. here. Yeah, just got to wait now. Just got to wait. Let's mark this up. Boom, let's clone it. And that's it. That's the day. So pretty much these ranges are based off 30-minute time frame at this point. We'll see what happens here. This is going to be a no trade range here for me right now. It might turn into a tradable range later, but right now it's going to be a no trade range. Anything above there, which is 23.29, looks pretty solid for buys, all the way up until 50 here, and then anything below 24 looks super clean for sells coming down. So that's it. You know, that's the day here for me. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and wait for the playbook to show up, and if it shows up and when it does, that's when I'll be there to execute. That's it. Time to eat. What up, Forex Guru? I dropped out from university. I started trading for 1 year now, but still not profitable. Last Friday, I even tried to... Whoa, bro. I didn't do it. There's no point in doing it, man. Trust me, you've been given such a gift here. Such a gift. There's people sitting there paralyzed. People sitting there with no legs, no arms. They would do anything for an opportunity to challenge themselves in life, to make something of themselves. It would be an honor for them to move through some sort of depression where they can come out on top, man. You have to truly feel honored for this life you've been given. It's valuable, bro. It's valuable. You matter. Your life matters, right? There's people counting on you, and you can achieve anything you want to. You're going to go through struggle, gang. That's the best part of this journey, is you actually get to struggle with hope. Right? With hope in mind, knowing that, hey, maybe I can actually do it. Right? What did Energy say yesterday? She said, what if it does work? What if it does work, man? Your life matters. You matter. We believe in you. You have to understand that every single successful person goes through these states of depression, loneliness, tiredness, weariness. Embrace it, gang. It's part of the game. It's part of the game, right? I was saying this morning, when Job lost everything, man lost everything, right? He never lost his belief, right? And what did God do? God blessed him 3 times over. This was a very rich and wealthy man, right? Very, very rich and wealthy man. But God wanted to test his faith. He wanted to see, will this man still believe in me if he doesn't have all these great worldly things? So guess what happened? The Lord took it all away. Took it all away. Imagine how depressed, lonely, shameful, weary Job was, right? But he never lost belief in his God and in himself, right? He kept on moving, kept on keeping on, and God rewarded him 3 times over. So embrace your struggle, embrace your low moments, your valley moments, because there's so much value within the valley itself, man. So much value in the value itself. So dig deep, my friend, and let's run it. $1 hour celery, yeah, I see what you mean. 1 hour celery, yeah. Gang, I promise you. I promise, man. There's nothing like the struggle. I look back at my life and, you know, it was about 10 years of rough waters for me, I would say. And I think it took me more than it would take the average person, and because I'm truly not that smart. Right? I'm really not that smart. I was telling somebody that yesterday. You guys will hang out with me. You'll play golf with me, and you'll be like, you'll say to one another, you'll be like, you know, Nick's actually not that smart. And I'm going to overhear you, and I'm going to say, look, bro, I never said I was. Right? I never said I was. I just believe in myself, right? I just believe that the vision that is in my mind will come to pass. And I went through like 10 years of struggle, man. 10 years of struggle. But when it comes together, brother, it comes together. So cool. What up, Ali Reza? Ali Reza in the house. Ali Reza. Struggle builds character. That's right, Nina. What's up, Susanna? What up, Perez? There is so much value in the valleys, my friends. Embrace it. Embrace it. Trials, the word says, are to test our quality. You guys are quality made. You guys are TTE made. This is quality here. Trust me, you didn't come into this YouTube live stream by accident. Believe that. What's up, Lily? Good morning. All right, cool. So that's the day here. That is it. You know, 15-minute now. You know, losing steam here. No top wick on this candle. I would expect this candle to at least make a top wick, and you know, maybe even close above. And if it does, that will begin to support our idea of price moving back up here, right? And possibly looking for impulse entries during NY Open here today. Can we call them something different? Should we call them something different? Impulse? I don't know. What do you think? Good morning, Andrew. What's up? What's up with it? Arise and shine. Let's go. It's good. The Don is in the building. Is that the original? Is that the original Don Dada? I mean the original. The original.
I'm the original Don Dada.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I say we all blast Little Mo Mozzarella's DMs. Tell him pull up. Rizzy setup. Hey, you guys should upgrade your setup. Yeah, I think it's think about it. This is like your battle station, right? Like this is your office. This is where you work from. You know what I mean? Like even if you can't really, I mean, I don't want to say buy something you can't afford, but like find a way to really just upgrade your environment. You know, I mean, it's so cool to have a good battle station, right? And feel good, feel professional about it. Yeah, I would highly recommend an upgrade. Amen. How do you say your name again? Okosi? Akosi? A-K-O-S-I. Akosi. Yeah, man. It's all good. All is well, my friend. I lost so many challenges. I blew so many accounts. I'm still good. I'm still standing. Actually, I'm doing better than ever, right? Failure is the way to success. Don't let the world push you away from failure any longer. I'm here to tell you, fail fast, fail often, learn from those failures, and move on. Move on. Excuse me. Damn. I just hit a whole spoonful of salt too before I jumped on here, so yeah. Got me fired up. Do we have a PDF of the playbook? Yes, we do. Yes, someone should be able to get that to you. If someone could post like a PDF of the playbook in the New York session channel, that'd be dope. So just go look in the New York session in a couple minutes. Give them like half hour, I don't know, and then it should be in there. Yes, sir, Forex Guru. Let's go, man. Let's go. Start from zero. Start from scratch here. No, just as a trader, as an entrepreneur in general, you have to have a very, how can I say this? Bad memory, right? Like in a way, right? Because, you know, you're going to run into these little trials and you got to be able to go over them, get over them quickly and make decisions fastly and not get too caught up in the emotional side of things. It takes a true dog, right? To really go out there and be successful and, you know, shake adversity at every opportunity he gets, right? So you just got to find that dog in you. It's in there. It's in there. You wouldn't be here if it wasn't. You just got to find it, man. You got to find it, turn the switch on, and just go, 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 my friend. Idle mind is the devil's workshop. Sitting around, doing nothing, feeling depressed, being lazy only leads to more sitting around, being depressed, doing nothing, and feeling lazy. I promise. You got to get in motion. Motion, baby, motion. How's my family doing? Fantastic. Thank you for asking, Ali Reza. Doing amazing. They're doing amazing. Alea's talking and just more and more and more day by day. It's pretty crazy. Pretty cool. Now, hey chat, now Alea's at the point now where I could be like, hey Lele, go get me a water, you know, or go get me this, or go get me that. She's like, okay, daddy. Like she's pumped to do it, you know. So now I get to sit back and be lazy sometimes and be like, yo, Lele, go grab me that. Go grab me this. Go grab that for me. And she's pumped. She's pumped up to do it. She loves to serve people. She's got a servant heart like her mom. Hey, got a new laptop? Nice, Marcus. What's good? What's good? What up, C Melly? Jay Finesse in the house. What's up, Adam Figueroa? How you doing, man? I actually play baseball with an Adam Figueroa. We need to talk about that freezer full of steaks. Hey, yo, holy chat. Did we just buy a whole cow? Did we just buy a whole cow? Daily live crypto trading's back in the house. Blessings to you today, my man. Hope you're doing well. Hope the live trading's going good for you. What up, Ocean? I like that. Hey, O-S-H-I-N, Ocean. That's actually pretty cool. It's a cool name. Is that your actual name? Big Motion. What's up, 808? What up, Rapid Max? Hey, I was watching a stream. It popped up in my memory thing from like a little over a year ago. Z Gamer was already a mod. So yo, shout out to Z Gamer, cause that man been a part of the mod squad for over a year now. W. And there was a few people actually that I haven't seen in a little bit. Yeah, if you were here back in the day and haven't been talking lately, say hello, man. We miss you. Yeah, we got the whole cow for the barbecue. What up, Spence? All right, perfect. Look, chat, so the 30-minute candle closed with no bottom wick here, right? 15 has no top wick. 1 hour is closing in about 27 minutes. So as I stated earlier, right, while we were doing the breakdown, if this candle here can close very similar to how it looks now, maybe even a little bit weaker, I am going to have a buy stop right on the break of that high, as NY open may begin to push price up a bit, right? If you look at the 30-minute time frame, there's a candle here with no top wick, and there's also, that's basically the previous range that we left, right? The major range that we left here. So based off the 1 hour, right, if we can get a weak bearish closure, I'm gonna have a look to go long on gold here up until like 2340, which is that previous range plus that candle that closed with no or opened up with no top wick there. Yeah, so we'll see. We closed with no bottom wick, so that's a good sign. First sign that leads us into our idea. And now a couple more things have to come together, and if they do, then that's when I'll execute. Big if. Donald in the house. What up, Donald? What up, James? Clack, 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 clack. Hugo, my man. Where's all the old school guys, man? Playbook mouse pads? Yeah, that would look pretty dope. That would look pretty dope. What's up, Manelli? What up, Hugo? What up? Options. Yo, options. Options got options. Them feet picks. Muslim man is in the building. There we go. John Doe. Man. Come on, give me some nostalgic feelings here, chat. Some of you guys have not commented in the chat in a while, or maybe I just haven't seen you guys. PM Magnifico. What up, Futures Frank? Old school guys are chilling in the back seat. Yeah, we have lots of people with us over a year now. Just squad. Yeah, there we go. Candle Slanger's in the house. Moses is in the building. Jazzy B is in the... Yes, come on. Mr. Can. Call him SK. What's up, AJ? Yeah, we're gonna... what up, Felix? We're gonna update the playbook video. I may be able to do that this weekend. Yeah, we're gonna update the playbook video. I'm gonna go super in depth. I'm gonna try and do it like a good 20-25 minute video. I know it's a little bit longer for nowadays because no one's got attention spans and people can't pay attention, but I'm gonna do it because I think it's worth it. I think it can add a lot of value to your trading. It'll probably be like another 20-25 minute video, but it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Yeah, the first playbook video we did that was 11 months ago now. Yeah, that was 11 months ago. I think we checked that out. Oh, what's that? I think we checked that out yesterday, right? Yeah, 11 months ago. So we're definitely due for an update. Yeah, this one did good. This one got 28,000 views. So I'm glad you guys all enjoyed this. But man, this was back when I had my old setup and I didn't even have a microphone at that point. I didn't even have headphones. I was just see, a lot of you guys want to like wait until things are perfect, right, in order to start things, but you just got to go, man. Right? You just got to start. That's it. Action, man. Motion. So yeah, we will update the playbook video. Hopefully I can get that done this weekend. I am playing golf Saturday and Sunday, so yeah, hopefully I can get it done in the afternoon. If not, I'll try and find some time during the week to do it. "20 minutes isn't long?" All right. You want me to go longer? We can go longer. I just like to keep it short because I know, people got things to do. Mac Billy in the house. Mac Billy. GJ? Yeah, that's an old school name for sure. Add real chart examples. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. Maybe what I'll do is I'll throw in some examples. I'll get my buddy to edit it, and he can throw some examples in from like the trade of the day channel. So this channel here, and then we can kind of pop it in. And yeah, if you guys haven't been in our Discord yet, join our Discord. It's completely free for now. Completely free, right? So take advantage of it. There's so much value. Every single trade we take is recorded, documented, and broken down here in this trade of the day channel. So yeah, maybe what I could do is here and there when we're explaining like the onion, for instance, right? I could just be like, boom, pop that one up and, you know, talk about it real quick. But yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea. Thank you. Good idea. Pay the fee. Yeah, now we're going to create badges and stuff pretty soon. We're just kind of putting together ideas, myself, the mod squad, and just trying to put some ideas together for some badges, and probably going to be doing some exclusive stuff in the Discord and having some hidden rooms and hidden channels, and yeah, that only the selected few can get in. Like if you guys look at my Discord, right, there's a lot of channels, there's a few channels here that you don't see on your Discord, right? So yeah, there'll be some hidden doors that you can access through with these badges, and I think it's pretty cool. I had no idea about this until you guys told me about it. So W chat. W chat. Oh, strawberry. Lele's favorite fruit is strawberries. She loves strawberries. All right, you guys got questions? Questions on the charts? What y'all got? I want all the badges. Bring out the whole badge. So right now we're just, for those of you guys that just came in, number one, give the stream a like, appreciate that. Number two, sub to the channel. But number three is we are waiting patiently right now, right? So price has already moved down quite a bit. You've had this big push down. You had a decent trade here, but you know, I wasn't at the desk for that. So at this point, we're just waiting. We're trying to see how we're going to react here. I am expecting the potential for a green candle at some point, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles in a row with NY open coming up in 18 minutes. Sellers are kind of losing momentum here. You are approaching this 4-hour support as well. But very curious to see what's going to happen here. So this 4-hour candle may begin to reject, and if that's the case, then you should see a no bottom wick or something on the 30 like we see, and then a closure back above. If you don't get that closure back above, I'm open to taking some sort of an impulse entry at the break of that high there, come NY open, for price to fill that wick, this wick to the left, and you know, come on into this gray zone here. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what we're waiting for. And then maybe later, you know, after all that, when the 4-hour candle closes, maybe later we find ourselves up in this range here from like 40 to 37, and then we could look to take sells back down, you know, at that point. But right now, we've just been pushing down for quite a bit. You're running into 4-hour supports. You're running into a lot of 1-hour supports as well, and volumes coming in. So if we can break that high, I think we have a good shot at coming up and then doing whatever we need to do up here towards like 2340, and then we reevaluate from there and see where to go next. Why did I go with Tradeovate over other future brokers? I had a few friends of mine that have been using them, taking big withdrawals with them, so I figured they were probably the best. I was looking into another one. I think it was AMP, AMP. But I had more friends using Tradeovate, and I just decided to go with them just through referral pretty much. Hey Nick, 4 a.m. candle has no top wick, so basically it means that there was a lot of bearish pressure at that time. How to deal with no top wick or bottom wicks on candles? 4 a.m. Let's take a look. Right here, right? So you don't, right? You don't. So pretty much the only way around this is can there be a valid entry on the lower time frame, right? In this case, there wasn't. On the 30, was there on the 15? Not really, right? So sometimes you're gonna have this like on the hourly look like that, but you'll have a celery play or something like that on the lower time frame, where when you're looking at a really good celery play, a lot of times it won't, if it's a bearish move, a lot of times it won't really give you a top wick. So if you can figure out, go down to a lower time frame, I would stay away from like the 1 and the 5, but anything 15, 30, if you can get like that formation to play out, then that's how you can do it. Otherwise, just let it go. And you know, if it's not part of your plan, you know, we know that 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks, right? So when you're pulling the trigger there, you're putting yourself at high risk for price to come back, right? Now, remember, it's 85%, not 100, right? Not 100%. So that, what does that mean? That means at any point, it could just drive down. And if this is a part of your rule where you don't take positions, you just have to be okay with that and not trade those candles. Yeah, unless I could find a celery play or something else on a lower time frame, then I'll just let it go. Yeah. In the famous words of Gotta Trade, gold's gonna do its ting, we just have to do our ting. That's all. What up, Edson? How you doing, man? We will find the strawberry badge. Oh, what's up, Nikki? Nikki wants a strawberry badge too? Oh man, all right. I guess strawberry badge it is. Hey, good morning, Project Freedom. What's good? What's good? Project Freedom, I dig that. Nick, what's your strategy called? My strategy is called trading professionally. Trading professionally. Just rolls off the tongue pretty good. Hey, you want to learn how to trade professionally? Yeah. Pretty good, right? Waking up early affect life? Yeah, in a great way. In a great way. I took 2 wins here. I took so yesterday's trade we got like break even. I don't know if I'm still debating. Do I want to put break even? Do I want to put loss? I only lost like 15 bucks. I don't know. What do you guys think, chat? Yesterday's trade, break even or loss? The only reason I put it a little bit off of break even is because I wanted to survive the flip. What do you guys think? Loss, 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 loss. Hit me with it. Loss, loss. Imagine you guys were all like, loss. You think so? I don't want to cheat the game. I really don't. I really did only lose like $18 on that trade. Definitely B, B. All right, we'll go B. I think it would have been B if we had a top wick, but I wanted to leave myself some room. Yeah, I ended up taking, let me go to the Discord here where I have it. So ended up taking a late trade when I got back from the gym. It was a gold sell right here. Yeah, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Took this gold sell here yesterday. After this, it was a 1 hour onion here. So that was good. I took that one on my top 1 account as well. So took that on both accounts. And then took one last night in Asian session. Right here. This trade right here. Yeah, basically another onion. So same exact idea. This was an impulse entry as well, kind of. It looks a little different on the futures chart or on this chart, but you had a nice closure, a lot of consolidation. You needed a bottom wick on the daily, right? The main thing here was you needed a bottom wick on the daily time frame at that point, and boom, you know, you had a nice push down. We did tap target there, I believe. Yeah. I mean, we came all the way down, so yeah, we did tap target in the Asian session, but it was a good trade. Yeah, it was a good trade. It's BE, but slippage. We can count it as slippage. Why is it best to avoid no... hold on. Why is it best to avoid no wick on the previous candle on the side of the direction we are trading? Why could this be negative to our trade? Because a lot of times, like when there's no top wick, or let's say no bottom wick, that means that there's no range, right? So if you have range, that's where you wanna trade in. So you see this wick here, like sometimes you'll have something to the left hand side that you can use as a wick fill, but a lot of times, like when a bearish candle closes with no bottom wick, that means that the next candle is less likely to drive, right? Same thing with a bullish candle. Like if a bullish candle right here, see how it closed with no top wick, the next candle is less likely to move up. So it could still move up later, but the next candle, it has a lower probability of, you know, beginning to move up. But it could still happen, right? It could still happen. Let's try and find some. I mean, this guy closed with like no bottom wick here, and then, you know, the party began to end, right? And we just kind of floated up. Same thing here. You got like no bottom wick, price began to push up. No top wick, price began to move down. No top wick, down. No top wick, down, right? No bottom wick, up. So that's typically what happens. Now, will it happen all the time? No, right? Can we find one where it worked out anyway? I think we have a recent one, right? I think it just happened. Yeah, like right here, like no bottom wick, you would say, oh, well, probably not going to go down. Boom, straight down. So everything we do in trading is based off of probability, right? Every decision we make is based off of what's going to occur most of the time versus what's going to happen, you know, sometimes. So, you know, there's never, that's why every trade, the outcome is completely random. Because although we have a good read on what things do most times does not mean all times, right? So, you know, that's why you're always going to endure losses in trading. You're always going to, you know, have trades that look really good but don't go your way. It's part of the game. You know, you don't know the future. We don't know where candles will actually go. We just have an analysis that we do, and understanding of the language of these candles and how to read them, and that's what we have to go off of. All right, so in a way, you're going into every trade blind with a completely random outcome. But we know that over time the outcome is not random. But man, the next trade ahead of you, the outcome's completely random. Yeah, so let's yeah, let's mark it up. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna put it as a loss, gang. I put it here as a loss too. It's like 4 pips. I sought the Lord. All right, we got like 8 minutes left for NY Open here too. Oh wait, I forgot. I gotta add one. 64, 65, 66. 177. And then that should be good. Yeah, okay, cool. I think we're good. I think we're good, man. I think we're good. What's up, KV? So let's see if we can get on the board here today and see what we can do. Oh, this is 15 pips. It's not percentage. Cool. All right. What's the win rate on the impulse entries right now? The win rate's pretty good right now because we haven't taken a lot, right? So somebody can maybe do it for me, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 impulse entries. I believe that's it. Yeah, 11. So 11 in total. Let's see. So you got 1. So 1. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so we got 11 and 1 loss, so it's pretty high right now. Right? I just want to make sure. Yeah, and it was only an 8 pip loss too. Yeah. So 11 and 1 on impulse entries right now. Pretty good. So very high win rate. Let's get more data on that. We need at least we got 11 trades. We'll take another real good look at it when we get to 50. 40, 50, even 20 will give us a little bit more. What's up, Josh? Haven't traded in months. Got myself a little job. Nice. I was wondering if I should start trading again. That's up to you, man. Green, what do you think? Maybe Green. Green might give you an answer, but yeah, I mean, trading. You may have the trading bug, right? And a lot of times what I see and some of the stories I hear is that I just couldn't let this thing go, right? People would say, yeah, I traded, I kind of lost some money, and I went and got a job, and I kept thinking about trading, and tried again, and it didn't work out, and went through the struggle, and just got another job and couldn't stop thinking about trading, and got back into trading, and boom, I made it big, and now I'm a 7-figure trader. So I think there's a lot of potential. I think you can do it. If you keep coming back, then I think it may be calling you, right? It may want you just as much as you want it. So let's run, Josh. Let's run. Steaks every night. Yesterday at NY Open, gold gave a 15-minute celery and 30-minute fake out. They know why you waited for top wick on the sell. Didn't execute on the 15-minute celery. Yeah, I probably wasn't looking at the 15-minute at that point. That's probably why. I was probably only looking at the 30, and then I seen a fake out, so I've probably seen something like this, right? And then something like this. Boom. And then something like this, right? So I probably wasn't looking at the 15, but that's probably why. Maybe I should have been. I was late. I didn't get in for the prayer. Yeah, hey, this whole session's been a prayer. Yeah, highly recommend you guys go back and watch this session here today. How many of you guys go back and watch the sessions? All right, Josh, let's get it, man. If that works good for you, let's go. That's a good schedule. 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. leaves you like the whole day. Some of them, nice. Me, yeah, dope. Yeah, I would. I'd go back and when I was watching Raja and Don, I'd go back and watch every session. So I would watch it live, and then at nighttime, I would just hang out and listen to it again. How many of you guys ever seen the video? So someone said Raja was in here before. I didn't see Raja in here, but if you guys said he was in here, I guess he was. But man, I remember the first time Raja shouted me out on the live stream. I got it recorded, man. It was so. I'll put it in the Discord. We went crazy. How many of you guys seen that video? I was like, Raja, you just helped me make 1,000 or whatever it was, and he like mentioned my name, and I. We had like 5 people in the living room. So once he mentioned the name on the video, all you hear is everyone like, ah! Yeah, shout out to Raja. I guess he was in here today. I did not see him, but amazing. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I rewatch them on the weekends. Oh, nice. Yeah, the weekends. Good study time. All right, 6 seconds for NY Open here. Cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Volume coming in. Impulse entry. We'll give it a shot. We'll keep it low risk. And yeah, we'll give this a shot here. Buy stop. So this is what we planned earlier, right? As we did the breakdown, if this candle can close very weak, when you break the high with NY Open, you should come up, fill that wick, and then maybe we can make our way up to 39 here. 4 hour does need to pull back a little bit. Yep, I would say so. Right, 39 is a bit of a stretch, so we'll see. The main thing on the 4 hour, right, is this area right here. Right? Are we going to close below or above in 1 hour? And if we do close above, that means that we're going to get a big push of volume right now to get us from here all the way, excuse me, let's say to look like this, right? So if volume's going to come, it's going to come, excuse me, within this next hour here. So we'll see what happens. We are still very bearish, so this is a bit of a risky trade, but every trade is risky, right? So that's it. You know, the idea is the impulse entry back into the range, fill the wick, and potentially keep moving up. There's green. There's green. What up, green? My stops are being kept below the lows here, right? Below the range here. I started watching Raja too. Yeah, Raja's a goat, man. He's the best. And I don't know. He's a good teacher. I feel like I can understand him really good. Yeah, we already talked about the updated playbook video. That's going to be coming in soon, where we're going to be adding these to it. And yeah, I'll probably do like a 30-minute new playbook video. Yeah, we're gonna add all the new stuff. Yep. Yeah, the idea here is to fill that wick, right? So it's about a 50 pip wick fill there. So that's really the idea, is to fill that wick. If we can break the high, that'd be awesome. But the main goal is to go ahead and attempt to fill that wick there. All right, so I think I've been activated here. So got into these buys on the break of that high. Stops or TP is going to be up here for about 100 pips. Stops going to be sitting back below here for about 45, and then this is going to be the area in which partials will be taken. I'm gonna see if I can close partials here today, if we get there. Yeah, the only way I'm out of this trade is probably if we break the lows here. I think my stops are sitting like right here. Then I may cut the trade a little short if we end up breaking those lows. What's Raja's YouTube? It's just I think it's just Raja, right? Raja Banks. Can someone teach me how to read pips on gold? Yeah, if you use the measuring tool, let's measure from our entry here to close partials is 50 pips. See how it says 509? That means 50. Up here, see how it says 1,000? That means 100. So I don't know why it's that way. It's not that way on my futures chart. On my futures chart, it is just normal, right? 63, 50, whatever. But yeah, on the Oana chart, it's a bit different. Don't ask me why. I don't know. How many contracts am I in? On this one, I'm in five contracts. So 5 contracts on that. And this is an impulse trade, so I take all my impulse trades on the micro futures chart. The regular playbook trades, they'll all be taken on just the higher volume chart. What up, Sandman? What's good? What's good? Oh yeah, or click shift and right click the mouse. That's right. Forgot about that one. This trade's not a playbook trade. Where you been, Omar? Where you been, brother? So this idea is an idea that we've already used 11 times here. So we've used this idea 11 times over the past month. I'm not sure if you've been absent, but yeah, as you can see, impulse, 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 impulse. So we did this 11. This is our 12th attempt at our impulse trade here. So we've won 10 out of 11. This one, the thing about the impulse trades are they're very risky, right? You're fighting this push down by just, basically taking buys on break of the highs, expecting volume to push you up and give you that pullback. But these are very risky trades. We're still collecting data on them. We're doing good so far, but we're gonna need, I would say we need about another 30 to 40 trades like this in our pocket before we can really look at any sort of results, right? Right now it's just about executing. Would you please make a video on futures trading? Yeah, I think futures trading is basically the same thing. I haven't really done anything different. You know what I mean? Maybe just the units and the contracts, but that's pretty easy. You go up and down with your units, and it tells you right here. It's kind of like magic keys. It shows you how much you're risking to how much you're gonna make. So it's really not that big of a shift. But yeah, I could do something. It'll probably be more like a reel than a video. You just got to get used to a different way. Like, there's no more lot sizes. There's no more of that. It's just a different name. My trading style is not the same as before. Yeah, this is the only different thing we're doing. Everything else is still exactly the same. Yeah, man, we got a lot of growth happening, right? A lot of improvements, adjustments. If you miss a couple streams, man, you fall behind, right? Everyone else has been monitoring this move with me, watching it with me. Some have been executing with me, getting a better read, getting a better feel for it. So if you miss streams, you know, especially when we're like learning new things and adjusting and sample sizing, then you can get, you know, you can get behind. So just be here every stream or watch the replay, and you guys will keep up with everything we're doing. Explain the partials on future. Yeah, I'm about to explain that in a little bit if we can get to partials. Actually, some of y'all might have to explain it for me. Is there spreads on future? Nope, no spreads. So my spread right now is 0 pips, 0.2. So very little to almost nothing. My feedback on futures brokers, I like them. I feel I can trade with a little bit more peace of mind, to be honest. No spread, no slippage, regulated broker, United States, you know, just everything's pretty secure. So yeah, I like it a lot better. Yeah, I don't think I'd ever like deposit money into like an offshore broker anymore. That was honestly, it was doable, but it's kind of, you know, when you're moving thousands of dollars into these in and out of these brokers, it's a little, you know, gets a little hectic. Yeah. So all right, so let's do that now then. So you're saying put a buy. So how do I put a buy? So I've been just placing positions like this. So am I supposed to set up another, so like this, like buy stop, and right click and set a buy? Or is there a more efficient way to do it? Talk to me, Louis G. What regulated broker did I mention? Tradeovate. Wait, click the plus sign. Which plus sign? On the right? Which plus sign? Which one is it? Hover over the price amount. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Boom. Buy stop. Should I hit create new order? Oh. Buy stop. Closing. Let's see. Like this. Limit. For partials, it's limit. All right. Walking me through. And then set it. Okay, so buy limit right here. So I hit the plus sign right around this area. Buy limit. And then hit the units that I want to close. And then click sell. Like that. No. Hold up. Yeah. So hit sell. This is on you, Louis G. This is big. This is big right now. I wanna do 4 out of the 5 that I have. Yeah. Don't click nothing yet. Four out of 5. All right, cool. So I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it right now. This is all on Louis G here, chat. Then you just have to edit stop loss and TP. Interesting. You're losing me now. 4 out of 5. Then you just have to edit. B. All right. All right. I'm gonna hit sell. I'm gonna do it. Lewis, you better be right, bro. 1 unit's 1 lot. Yeah, I get it's kind of like 1 lot. Aha. So, all right. So what if I don't touch anything right now? I don't touch a thing right now. Price hits that line. What happens? So I don't do any TP, any. So on the TP on the top. Edit from 5 to 1 because you already have closed 4. Gotcha. One and then hit modify. Haha. Louis G, you are a real G, my friend. Thank you. About time. About time. Wow. W's in the chat for Louis G. Oh, hold on. The only thing is the stop loss will only close 1. Oh, I see. I see. So can I edit that and make it 5? So you have to edit the stop loss. All right. Beautiful. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. We good. We good. W Louis G. Thank you, bro. Chat, thanks for for staying quiet in the chat too while we figured that out. Anything you change? Yeah, anything I change, I'll remember to make sure. Give the stream a like here for Louis G. Yeah, if you haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like for Louis G, man. Damn. My TP went back to 5. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, after the partial's closed, just change it to 1. Got it. Got it. All right, we haven't really had much volume here for the NY Open, but that was good because we were able to finish discussing that. We really want to see a 15 closure back above here. That would be great. Finally, I know how to close partials. Man. Am I in on this? Yeah, I'm in this position right now. So I got tapped in. I think I've seen tapped me in by like 1 pip, and now I'm just floating around here. Cancel the partials. Got it. Got it. Got it. Otherwise, it'll sell, right? If it goes up there, it'll get like a sell limit. Gotcha. We making moves. Yeah, can you repeat all that, Louis G? Reason behind the trade? Yeah. Reason behind this trade here is that we've been pushing down for quite some time, right? So if we look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour plays a big role in this trade actually, because looking at the 4 hour, right, we have this range. This was really the main range in which we left from, right? So we may come back up to retest that area on the lower time frame, and we may even just close bullish here, right? We may even close bullish in this range, doing some sort of like exhaustion wick like that. You do have more range to go on the 4 hour. That's why this trade is a bit on the riskier end. But, you know, this candle closing with almost no bottom wick, you already had a push. You're slowing up on the lower time frames, right? If we look at some of these lower time frames, hold on. Looking at the 1 hour, right? You've been traveling down here for quite some time. You're beginning to run into like all this support now, right? The idea is as you break this high, during this high time of volume, you should see price move up to fill that wick and then potentially run up here towards like 2340, right? That's the idea here. 30-minute as well has kind of closed a no bottom wick and, you know, printed a support there. You have volume coming in. You have this high to retest, and that's pretty much the idea behind it, right? The main idea behind it is just a 1 hour, you know, basically pushing back up after breaking this high, right, during a session open here. So we'll see. We'll see if we get it. We'll see. That guy TK is in the house. What up, TK? What's good? What's good? Johnny Boy's in the house too. Okay. What's good, John?
Yo, 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 what's good, Nick?
How you doing?
How you doing? What's good?
What's good? How you feeling?
Feeling great, bro. How you feeling?
Awesome, dude. Amazing.
Nice.
Incredible.
In paradise.
We got comics open here. Will we
Yo.
push up or down for the commodity exchange? Here it comes.
It's good, chat. Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are feeling incredible.
Yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Johnny or Jesse James in the house. Okay, Jesse James. Let's see you.
Bessie James.
Jesse. Yeah, could it be a pack runner? It very well could be, right? We are really fighting this big move down here, but again, this is a big move down, and I would expect, you know, as we continue to break those highs, we need to break the high again, right? That's the big thing. We got to break the high again, and then that's when you should see the push. If not, this could be a pack runner, and price could 100% come down here as well. What up, Big Smoke?
Good morning,
Good
Andrew.
morning, John. Give me 1 sec. I'll be
Oh,
right
yeah,
back.
man. Feeling blessed. What's good, Dropout Trader? What up, TK? Louis G, good morning. Sandman, good morning. What's goody? Good morning, Nikki. Juicer incoming. Yeah, facts. What's up, Wags? What's good, man? Good morning. Good morning, Susanna. Morning, Nick. Yeah, chat, you already know the vibes. Another day to be professional traders. Just follow our plan, follow our rules, our setups. Think in probabilities, be patient and disciplined. Have good risk management. It'll be a good day. Good, the Dom. You in this, John? Nah, I'm not. I wasn't at the desk for this. The account manager tapped me on the shoulder, and he got mad at me.
It's about to be a good day. John about to bring out the whole volume. Come on, Johnny boy, bring it out. Nice out today, right?
Oh yeah, of course.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's a nice day. What up, Shetty? Yeah, it was chilly in the house. I went outside. I'm like, wow, it's beautiful out here today.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Dum, 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 dum. News coming in? I don't think we have news, do we? News at 10, right? 10 a.m. news. I don't see anything else. What are you guys looking at for news? At 10? Yeah, I see that. At 10, yep. Yeah, we got news coming in at 10 a.m. here today. So that's going to be a little bit later after the 4-hour closure. I'm expecting this 4-hour to, you know, potentially pull back here a bit. Yeah. I'm gonna move this to 15 resistance here. Yeah, I'm also gonna move stops to break even. So I'm gonna go B on this trade. Taking the risk off here. And see if we can get it to juice up a little bit more to partials. We'll see. We'll see. If you guys want to close partials, go ahead. I think we hit about 20, 25 pips there. I'm going to see if we can get it to run up to that support and then look to close. As far as I understand, impulse typically works. Yeah, during volume. Yeah, you really want volume on your side when you're taking like impulse entries like this, because you're going against like a lot of times you're going against like the higher time frame, right? So you wanna go break even aggressively, and then you want to make sure that these are taken during high times of volume. But this was highly based off the 1-hour time frame, breaking that high and then beginning to move up. Why not hold till 40? Because look at this. If we hold till 40, that means that this 4-hour candle has to flip and re-break its own high and drive all the way up there within the next 30 minutes. Now, look, that can happen for sure, right? But, you know, I'd rather take partials at that wick fill. Yeah, which is also that 30-minute resistance. Yeah, and we're just having fun sample size in these positions here too, so. Let's see.
Yeah, nice
John,
trade.
what are you waiting for, John? 4-hour closure?
Yeah, at this point. Yep. Yeah, I was gonna have buys above 23.34, those 4-hour highs, and then sells below 23.24.
Gotcha. So if I wanted to close like my 4 units here, what would I do? Would I just hit this plus sign and do like a instant order, like a market order? Is that how you do that? Just drag the order down. Oh. Like this. Like that. Okay. So there's no way to do it like manually. I mean, like instantly. Like an instant order, like just like a, like, you know how Magic Keys, you can close like X amount almost right away. I haven't tried that one yet. All right, cool. No worries, no worries. I miss MT5. MT5.
MT5 was the best.
Yeah,
man.
Hit it. So what if I X this out? Then it just removes the limit order there and it just focuses on this TP. All right, beautiful. So partials have been taken. I'm gonna switch this to 1 and leaving 1. All right, perfect. All right, sweet. Yeah, honestly, that was easy enough. I got it now. I can't believe that held me back for so long. So partials taken here at about 30 pips, 32 pips. And we'll see if we can get the runner to go. Run. Let's see what we're looking like on the 4-hour here too. Yeah, so if you do break the 4-hour high, then that's where I may say, okay, we could pump up there towards 40. But you may break that 4-hour high on the next trade, kind of like we took on that 1 hour here, where you had an impulse entry on the break of the previous candle. If the 4-hour closes something like this, then you can have that same exact approach on the break of this high, right? For price to continue up towards, you know, 40 at that point, and then, you know, maybe even go further. But W trade, chat. W trade. Congratulations if you took it. Yeah, this candle closed with no wick too.
Yeah, it was super clean on the 30-minute too.
Yeah. Hey, if you took that trade, if you're understanding impulse entries a little bit better now, put a W in the chat. And let's see if we can get this thing to run. Run, baby, run. Let's see, can we break the highs? Yeah, I'm gonna move this stop in profit. So stops are in profit. Stops are 21 pips in profit here. So we'll see if we can hold this for the remainder of the day if it wants to move up, and you know, maybe we can get another position here too when the 4-hour closes here. Yeah, look at this, lovely, beautiful, beautiful read on the 4-hour, chat. Beautiful read. $20 pips, just got to learn, hold. Yeah, there you go. Yep, the more you see this, the more confident we get, the more more willingness we're able to, you know, go a little bit more aggressive on the trade management side of things. And yeah. On to the next. Let's mark it up. Let's mark it up. So that was 8 a.m. Had a little bit of drawdown there. Nothing too crazy. Nothing we can't handle, right? Right, chat? Nothing we've not experienced before. Oh wait, this is May. My bad. All right, man. We're on the map here. Gold buy. This is an impulse. We gotta add impulse this month. Another name for it? What do you guys think? That's still open. All right, we'll just hang tight and wait for the runner here. So I'm just gonna hang on to this runner probably for the rest of the day. It may get BE if it like breaks the lows and all that, but or not BE. I'm in profit, I forgot. All right, perfect. All right, now we just sit tight and wait. Gold did exactly what I expected. Nice, man. It's okay, bro. As long as you plan your trade. So notice how price is rejecting right here, right? That was like our original TP, right here, or our partials. Notice how we reject there, right? So keep in mind, like, the more you see this, the more you begin to understand how to manage positions, and go ahead and like look for potential exits, right? So that way you're not feeling like, you know, I wish I could have held longer, right? Like, this is your most logical target here, especially with 25 minutes left in the 4-hour candle. This is your, you know, this is your target. You know, this is obviously the more, how should I say this? The more, I guess just TP2, right? The more this is like TP2 compared to TP1. So just simple form, TP1, TP2. It's an optimistic TP for right now. Yeah, let's call it an optimistic TP.
More aggressive.
Yeah. $30-minute onion play? Yes. Yeah, it's a 30-minute onion. You would have had a little bit of a better entry off the onion itself. Like a lot better entry, like a 14 pips. So if you took it off the onion, great job. I took it off of the break of the high here. So yeah, I'm gonna use the impulse because that was my main idea from this morning. But yeah, it just happened to be an onion play as well. Yep. But hey, we drew this out, right? We drew this out earlier, and that's what we waited for it to kind of reveal itself, to print how we wanted it to print, and that was it. Plan, wait, execute, and that's it. An onion play is just a play like off of support, right? So like, let's say you got a bunch of bearish candles coming down. Boom. Boom. Right, now we're like ready to create a support, and let's say we're looking for buys. So all we're waiting for is a support to form like this, and we call that the onion play. So we're taking out, this is our confirmation candle, this blue one here that we could potentially go up, and then this is our trading candle. Stops are typically best kept below there, and then let it ride. Yeah, so if we go to the 30-minute, you see price come down, create support, price come down, create support. This is your confirmation candle, this is your trading candle, and that's it. If you guys got better names, let's figure out some better names for this position. Which time frame do I use? I'll use all different time frames. So I'll use, depending on what's in front of me at that time, I'll be using all different time frames. So as you can see, not all different. I would say 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. So if it's not on those, then I typically won't take it unless it prints on one of these time frames. So 15, 30-minute, 1 hour. 15-minute only during high times of volume. This is my lunch and learn. AW. Muddin. Getting out the muddin. Yeah, and if you're wondering, hey, you know, and by the way, if you were taking off the 30, then this zone may have gotten in the way here. All right, John, like this zone right here. But because it was off the 1 hour, it was based off of that impulse itself. And that was the reason why I didn't really care about this zone right here. Otherwise,
what, 29?
yeah, if it was like based strictly off of the, let's say, 30-minute time frame, that may have kept me out. But because it was more, the idea was more so based off of, we've been pushing down so hard here, the 1 hour needs a pullback, and that's gonna happen. So normally these would be trades that we'd miss out on, right? They would break the highs and we'd be waiting for what, like a pullback or something like that. So just basing it off the 1 hour, not really looking too deep into this 30-minute support is kind of like the reason for not really letting that keep me out of the trade. Was it a high risk? Yeah, they're all high risk, man. All of them. Yeah, this trade's a bit more risky. That's why we size down a little bit and pull the trigger. My stop loss took me out. Should I get back in? No. Just enjoy your profits. You got stop down profit. Yeah, and if you miss this, that's A-okay, because we let this trade go for almost 2 years. Right? We let this trade go for 1.5 years. And just watched and just watched and just watched and just watched, right? And we say, hey, we got a good read on it now, right? And that's when we began to pull the trigger. Call it the rehab trade because you're breaking highs. I like that. It's actually pretty good.
Rehab trade.
I took it from the oh, nice, Sandman. Yeah, so you got a better entry than me. W. Watch. TK, how you doing? He ain't tripping. You see TK? He ain't tripping. You got stopped in profit? All right, you good. Don't trip. Beautiful trade. Enjoy your profits. Enjoy your profits. Be content with this one. And now the next best thing to do is wait. Right? We got to wait now on the 4-hour candle to close because it's tapped our TP1, right? Our original target, which was basically this 30-minute resistance. That wick right there tapped into it. So this is why we have what we call advantage points, because this is where this trade, although it looks great to move up, if it's going to struggle from anywhere, it's going to struggle right here. So that's why we look to close partials in these areas and even sometimes our full position. And now we just wait. All right. Now we have to wait. We get more information when this 4-hour candle closes. And that's going to be big for us, right? If this 4-hour candle closes bearish, then, you know, we may have opportunities to keep selling here today. If it closes bullish, then we may see a pump up. And that's when 2340 may get hit, right? So just take it trade by trade. You've taken your trade. Chill out now. We'll get a better read on price in about 17 minutes, and then we can go looking for another trade, you know, at that point.
Yes, there's another trade coming. Gotta wait on it.
Yeah. Unless you want to take 845, which I currently very rarely ever do. But yeah, 845 is coming.
Unless you're feeling ballsy.
Unless you're feeling froggy today.
Like Louis G.
Yeah. Hey, were you paying attention when he taught me how to close partials? It's a wrap
no.
now.
Bet
It's
you
a
learned.
wrap.
Bet.
We're going to get Louis G to make a video on our YouTube channel on how to close partials and futures.
Yeah, please do. I'll watch that immediately.
News coming? Not yet. So news is coming in about 1 hour and 20 minutes. So we still got plenty of time for the news. Hungry for more trades? Need more trades. just can't tell it all. Can you explain the trade? Yeah, let's do it. All right, last and final trade breakdown here, right? So let's look at the 4-hour chart one more time. So the 4-hour candle has pushed down aggressively all the way from 2350, right? We've pushed down. This was the move, right? That was basically the move, and we tapped into these support levels right here, right? So as you tap into those support levels, what do you notice? Outside of the obvious, which is support, what else do you notice here? What is this? What do you see right here? Lots of rejection, right? This is the major zone, right? If you're looking at a 4-hour range, you're looking at the range from this area up until, I would say, like this area. So that's your major range. So as you come down into that area, you're most likely going to reject, right? We rejected here as well. Obviously, we rejected over here as well. It went down a little bit longer than probably it would have liked to, but this whole general area is just a lot of rejection. So where is the current 4-hour? Current 4-hour sitting right in that box, right? Right in that rejection area. Now, we still did have distance on the 4-hour to come down, but something within this area is holding price up, right? Or really something within this area, as you can see these wicks here, on the lower time frame is holding price up. So we have to identify what that is, right? So if you're looking at the 1-hour, just, can you hear Raja's voice now, right? Just look at this 1-hour time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearish candles in a row, right? If we were attempting to take a sell here, yeah, I can hear him now, right? So you don't really want to take a sell after this massive move down, right? You see big candles, big candles, big candles, decent candles, weak candle, weak candle. What does that mean? Price is slowing up. If we look left near those weak candles, we look to the left-hand side, we see support, we see rejections, we see support, all this right here, right? Support, support, right? If we drag a line through it, right in that area. So we're beginning to reject there. Plus 7 bearish candles in a row, right? What's the chances the next candle here is a massive bleeder, right? We know that the next candle at 8 a.m. is going to be a big boy. But after 7 bleeders, right? What's the chances that we get another one after breaking that high, right? After breaking that high, very slim, right? Very slim. So what's the chances that after 7 red candles in this support level, 4-hour rejection zone, what's the chances if we break this high during volume that will move up to give us a retracement, right? That opportunity there is a very high probability. So understanding that based off of the 1-hour, how to use impulse entries, when to use them, it was a perfect idea where if we broke that high during the NY Open, that you would come up and fill that wick, and that's exactly what happened. You also got this 30-minute candle to close a no bottom wick. You got a support to print. You have a resistance up here to get retested. That was the 1-hour wick fill. And yeah, easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. Once you understand what candles do and what they're designed to do and how to mark off ranges and all that good stuff, it becomes pretty simple trade. So if you have any other questions on it, let's chat about it. If not, I hope that makes sense. And we drew it out, right? We waited. Even when this bearish candle, right, was way down here, we didn't care, right? We said, hey, if it closes back above, or if it closes weak bearish and we break the high, that's going to be a valid idea for this impulse entry for us to go ahead and fill that wick, right? So we planned it all out, and then we just had to wait. You know, I think if you guys can just learn to wait, you would be much more profitable. I was eating there. Mod Squad, yeah, that's the Mod Squad. You gotta talk to Big Green.
Where's Green at?
Green, makes sense? Okay, cool. Good, good, good. Yeah, so again, these are going to be more, so this idea here, if it's not really totally clicking for you just yet, it's totally fine, right? It's okay. This is a much more experienced idea when it comes to trading the system like that. Yeah, so don't worry about it. If you didn't take it, just watch it. Watch me take it. Let me be the risk taker for you to collect the data, and watch me take it over and over again. Ask me questions like you're asking now. That way you can develop a good read on this type of idea. So that way then maybe not the next time you see it, but maybe next month you say, hey, I've got some confidence in here. I've seen him take it. I understand when he's taking them and why he's taking them, and then I can execute, right? That's the main goal, is to transfer the knowledge from me to you. Talk to Big Louis G. Oh, okay, Green. All right. Okay. Waiting's the hardest part. There you go. Imagine that. Waiting's the hardest part of this game. Too easy.
Right.
Too easy.
It's a muscle you gotta build.
John, waiting's the hardest part in any game. Whether you're whether you're an athlete, whether you're in fitness, whether you're starting a business, most people just don't know how to wait. They just don't know how to wait, man.
Oh, they don't understand delayed gratification.
Well, they are. A lot of times they're waiting for something to come to them, but they're gonna be waiting a really long time, right? So either way, you're gonna wait. It's just, is what you're waiting for actually gonna happen, right? I don't know. It's a waiting game, man. Life is a waiting game. Isn't it crazy? The time's ticking. It's so counterintuitive, isn't it? The time's ticking on our lives right now, but one of the smartest things to do is play the waiting game. Holy sheesh. Life is short, but it's also a long time as well.
Yep.
Mind blown. So yeah, we're just struggling here now. So I think the 4-hour closure is going to be a big part in where we go next.
So that's what I'm waiting on right now.
TPT concepts. What's good? What's good? The waiting game. I should do a talk on the waiting game. Aggressive patience. Life is about aggressive patience. Aggressive with the work, patience with the results.
I mean, yeah, and you also got to know what you're looking for too, you know, in trading. So when you know what you're looking for, it's easy to wait, right, on something that you're waiting for. Now you're just waiting for the candles to print in the way you want it to. So if you know what you're looking for, it becomes easier to wait.
Yep.
So if you're struggling with patience, do you know what you're ask yourself, do you know what you're looking for? You know, like, why aren't you being patient?
Patience, young grasshopper. Have y'all ever swing traded? How do you feel about it? Yes. I have swing traded before, but the way I felt was that like every 30 minutes I'll be whipping out my phone, looking at where my trade's at. Like, it was kind of annoying because I'd be like doing my just living life, be at the gym, hanging out with the fam, doing stuff, out to lunch. I'd be like checking my phone all the time. Like, the style that works best for me is simply showing up to the desk and taking my trade and being done with it. You know, it's like a work day for me.
Yeah, swing trading just didn't fit my personality.
Gold juice. Hey, we haven't thrown juice boxes in the chat. I mean, this one wasn't worthy of a juice box, but where the juice boxes been? Where the juicers been? Not yet, chat. We need a real juicer. Like, if we would have had something pop towards like 40 today, then I think the juice boxes should come back out. Still good to master both styles? Yeah. Yeah, whatever works, you know, whatever works for you. Some people need to swing trade, right? So everyone's different, and the coolest part about it is there's zero right or wrong. I'm not right. I'm not wrong. You're not right, you're not wrong. Whatever style fits you best is the style that you want to stick with. Doesn't matter what I say, doesn't matter what any other anyone says, right? All that matters is what suits you best. What's going to allow you to be the most comfortable and make the most money in the markets. That's where you want to be. So sometimes some people are going to rather swing trade. Some guys are going to scalp. You know, it's fine.
Yep, trading's an opinionated sport, you know, whatever works best for you. Everyone has something that works for them, you know, so what works best for you, you got to run with.
Run, Forrest, run. All right, 4 minutes left. 4 minutes. How is this 4-hour candle going to close? Damn. Just look at it. Yeah, we'll do a fresh top-down analysis too in like 5 minutes. Holy! 4-hour broke the high here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this guy closed a no top wick too, below resistance. So yeah, let's see what happens here. There's the juicer. There's the juice box. Yeah, last 15 of the 4-hour, you would expect that to happen here. Yep. See how this one didn't do much? So remember, candle closed with no top wick. The next candle is less likely to move up, right? But you see the candle after that now, pushing up. This is the last 15 of the 4 hours. So typically we'll see a pullback there. And yeah. I sent opposition on Discord. I hope you sent it to the right guy. Chat, I will never ever message you, ever, asking you if you want to participate in something that is not publicly mentioned on the Discord or on the YouTube live stream. And even if it is publicly mentioned on the live stream, I will never randomly DM you to ask you individually if you want to be a part of it. I promise you. Promise you.
Scam is real.
The scams. Nice, man. Juicing.
I'm thinking we finish the bullish the rest of the day.
Yeah, we most definitely could shoot up bullish here.
High chance.
Yeah, so let's do a fresh top-down analysis here. This 4 hour is gonna close. Maybe we'll let it close first, and then we'll do a new analysis. Because we are truly entering a new session now, right? Let's just pretend that we just got here, right? So let's just pretend that the stream's starting soon. Stream starting soon. Da da da. Glory to the Father. Blah 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 blah. All right. Hey, welcome in. Welcome in. Right. So we're starting a new session now. So we just finished up our 7 to 9, and now we will move into 9 to 11 here. And we're gonna anticipate now. We're gonna forget about everything that happened here from 7 to 9. That was yesterday. That was last game, and now we're gonna focus solely on what happens from, or what we anticipate happening from 9 to 11. All right, so let's do a fresh top-down analysis and see what we got here. So the daily's printing sideways, right? Printing sideways, just absolute garbage here. You never broke the lows. It looks like you made a bottom wick at this point from that aggressive push down on the 1 hour chart. 4 hour is beginning to flip bullish here, and pay attention to this area that we're looking at here. If you close above there, most likely you'll see the next 4 hour candle tap into these ranges here and maybe even come up towards like this, you know, resistance level there, right? So let's see if we can plan that and anticipate that on the lower time frame. So 1 hour has juiced up. We were in this trade. It was a beautiful trade, but it's pretty much done now, right? So you created support, you filled the wick, exactly what we wanted to do. Looking at the 1 hour, you don't really have much price action here. You have somewhat of like a support right here that we can maybe play it off of. You still have no top wick on this candle here. The new 4 hour candle has opened, so we closed bullish. We're breaking the highs immediately here, so we don't want to jump on this just yet. Let's see the 30-minute time frame. 30 closed above, and yeah, you are looking pretty clean, right? You really just need a bottom wick and all that good stuff, and then there may be some more opportunities here. So that is it, right? So you got potential buys coming in, but I never like to enter buys in the first couple minutes on the 4 hours. So I'm just gonna let this do its thing real quick, and that's it, you know. So buys above there. Sells, we have to wait, right? We need to see this bottom wick, how all that plays out, and see where that is, right? If you can get a closure back below, right? So let's say you come down, you make a bottom wick, and then you begin to come back up here, but you fail to break these highs, and then you close below the range, then that's where you may say, okay, well, maybe we'll move down at that point, right, to continue on. So we'll see. We're gonna wait a few minutes, see how this candle starts to print, and go from there. You have somewhat of it's a minor level of resistance, right here, minor level, but I'm gonna use that right now as the 4 hour opens. So boom, boom, and that's our range, and that's what I'm gonna play here moving forward. Boom, clone. So that's basically our new range now. So we're in a range. If we can get a breakout, ideally I'd love to see this candle right here close bear with no bottom wick, right? If we can close bear with no bottom wick right here on this 15-minute time frame, and then 9:15 to 9:30 closes back above the range, that's where I want to re-enter the longs here, right? And that's where you should have volume coming in, and you should make your way back up towards like 23.43, even like 23.46 here. So that's kind of like my idea for the remainder of the day, and then closures back below 32 would be pretty good as well. Boom, boom. But ideally a nice bearish closure with no bottom wick, right? Closing in this range would be perfect, and then the next candle gets the breakout, and then the following candle after that will be volume. So let's see. Let's see. If you're still holding, buckle up, man. This thing may rip. It may rip. Yeah, now we can target these levels here at 25 for sells, and gonna look to target, you know, somewhere up in this like 45 range, somewhere up here for buys. 44? Yeah, 44. Cool. That's it for me. Nasty 5-minute range as well. Just gotta wait. Yeah. Can I enter off the 15-minute FVG? hey, if that's your plan, man, you know, you don't want to have a plan and then ask somebody else, because I don't trade FVGs also, right? I don't even know what they are. So I see some clean traffic here that I would like to look at, right, for my system. So this is the area in which I want to take my potential buys, right? Is somewhere above this 35 level. I want to take buys in that green zone, right? And I want to target that full green zone. And then sells I want to take potentially here below 32. And then there's more clean sells below here. So I'm just going to stay away from the range that we're currently in and wait for some sort of a closure within those green boxes and take my trade there. Jason C. Nice. Just want to confirm, are you talking to me right now on Discord? No, I am talking to the YouTube live stream chat right now. I'm not on my Discord. I haven't messaged one person today on Discord. Outside of Hero of the Day right now. Thanks, Hero of the Day. Thank you.
Hero of the day. It's good.
Sorry to ask again. What regulated broker did you mention earlier? Tradovate. 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 Scammers doing scammer things, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Can you explain your strategy?
There's no strategy.
What
I have
strategy?
no strategy. There's zero
Our strategy is based off of candlestick analysis. So I use candlesticks and ranges, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, if you come here enough, you'll understand it. It's very tough to try and give you like a 15-minute breakdown of the strategy. But just, I would show up every day. We trade mainly price action. We look at these candlesticks a lot. That's why you see me so zoomed up. And we just play price action. Update your Discord link. Where? On YouTube? Yeah, if you guys want to join our Discord, you guys can join it. Hit !! Discord in the chat, and the official link will pop up for you. Bro's talking to time to steak. Yeah, see, like normally I would so there's a remember last couple impulse entries, they were basically the break of the 4-hour low. I don't want to do this in that case now. And the reason for that is because we're not at some sort of resistance now on the 4-hour time frame. So like if we were up here, then yes, like if we were up here on the 4-hour chart, let's say you did this and then you did this and you close like this and the 4-hour made a low, right? That's when I'd be down to take this impulse entry. But and the reason for that is because the 4-hour doesn't have much room to go, right? We're in this rejection area. So I would just have a simple sell stop on the break of that low there. But we have room to go today, right? If you look at the 4-hour, we have more than enough room to push up. So that's why I'm not entering just based off of the break of the low. I'm going to wait and see if we can make a bottom wick and then see if we can actually enter off the break of the high, right? Because we got room to push up here today.
Hell yeah.
Stop that break even. Yeah, it looks like I would have hit B2 there. Yeah, that was a great.
That's a nasty.
Oh no, not yet. My B is down here. What were you gonna say?
That's a nasty exhaustion wick too on the 4 hour. So very high chance we go up.
Yeah, just wait on it. This is why I didn't want to jump on the buy right off the rip too here. First couple minutes of the 4 hour candles, never a good sign. Gotta wait.
How many times, Nick, have we got stopped out on this like type of trade right here?
Yep.
So many.
Ranges are support and resistance? Yes, pretty much. Yep. Pretty much. We finna break them lows and then drive up maybe. Yeah, can we, yeah, so look, the thing about the new 4 hour candle is as long as this wick here respects the low of that wick, you're still good to break that high and move up, right? So what does that mean? That means that we can easily break 30-minute lows here and still continue traveling up, right? So you can break this low no problem, you can break this low no problem. As long as you respect the 4 hour, everything is still in decent positions to move up, right? So that's why we have to be careful if we do take these sells. But more importantly, when we take our buys, if you're taking a buy right there off the rip on this 4 hour candle and your stops are sitting here, it's very dangerous, right? I would say not until 9:30 or something I would do that, because right now you're just in, I mean, even at 9:30 you're still in position to break those lows, continue down. As long as you respect that wick, you're good to go. If the 15 closes weak, bearish, could it be considered a celery play? Yeah, I still want to see if we can get above that 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, yeah, because this is a very minor level right here, right? So I'm just using that level right now so I don't get into buys, right? Just like stupidly get into buys here. So I want to use that level, but technically I think if you do get a closure above here, you're still in pretty good standings to move up, right? But I do like this level. There's something that just tells me keep an eye on this area here. So I am going to do that for now.
Yeah, because I was going to say it looks like 30-minute breakout.
Yeah. Yep. Turn the music down. Hey, we're partying over here. All right, I turned it down. I took 76 trades from last month with a new account. 154, lost 26. My account's up 78%. I'm happy, baby. Let's go, Sheddy. W. Way to execute, man. Yeah, the most ideal and best scenario here for me would be if this candle closes back in the range, bearish, and then the next one closes above, right? A circle candle. It's not a rectangle. No more rectangle candles out here. Circle candles only. And then the next candle at 9:30 drives up. Hey, man.
That would be so trippy.
Don't tell nobody nothing.
Bro, TradingView should have an options for that.
I mean, they got options, but no circle.
Yeah.
I used to draw circles all the time. All the time.
Are you still in? Did your
nah, I got
trade
stopped in
get
profit. Yeah.
Okay.
I used to draw the circles, man. How many guys ever been in network marketing? I used to draw them circles. Basically, this old business model I had, you had this website over here with a ton of like everyday products, right? And you were an independent business owner, so you now work directly with this manufacturing company, and you can sell products to like family, friends, and all different people that you can sell products to. blah, 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 blah. And then what you would do is that you would start to franchise your business. So you would look for other business owners, right? Potential partners to partner up with. They used to call this a pyramid scheme back then before they developed intelligence. So like what happens now is like, now you help these guys develop some customers, right, of their own. And then you help them branch out and franchise their company. So as they branch out, they franchise their own company and they start hitting the ground with their friends. Once I help this guy right here make about 3 G's a month, I would make about like $700. So let's say I was making 3 G's, right? And then he was making 3 G's, let's say, and I'm just using that as an example. And then we had these guys all do the same thing. I would be getting 750, 750, 750 plus my own business, right? My own volume I was generating in. And that's just like that's just 3 organizations, right? If you had more organizations, you would make more and more money. And I would go help these people and serve these people and help them grow their team and go do public speaking and all that stuff. It was fun. It was a good time. Business of the 21st century. And now
Sounds pretty fun.
I don't draw circles anymore. Now I draw rectangles. Yeah. And the cool part about it is I still have these business, like this business, right? So that percentage still, you know, is like ongoing revenue for me. Yeah, so that's one of the other I don't physically operate that business anymore. We just kind of keep up with it and talk with our people. All right, so no closure on the 15. So if you get a closure on the next 15 above here, I think we're good to go. And no, this was not IML. And no, I'm not Eric Worre.
Eric Worre.
Shout out to Eric Worre.
This 9 a.m. candle about to be huge.
How do we get into
Like
this
Trump would
pyramid
say.
scheme? Well, I'm glad you asked. Yeah, huge.
Huge.
All right, so look at this. Perfect, chat. We're in perfect position here now. So if we get a closure below 32, we re-break the low. Therefore, you should see a push down to fill that previous exhaustion wick. If you get a closure above here, then that's where you're going to begin to start breaking that 4-hour high, right? So we really want to see this 15 ideally close above. That'd be great because we did close bullish on the 4-hour and then begin to run up. But we should have volume coming in within the next like 13 minutes here.
Bring out the volume.
We don't want to enter just randomly here because we could respect that high there and continue driving down. So I think the only impulse entry right now would be the break of that high, but I don't think I'll participate in that.
What, break of the 30 highs?
Break of the, well, yeah, the re-break of the 30 high, break of that 15. I really want to see a candle close above here. What's up, George? Good morning. Good at work. Yeah, it's still morning time. 9:17 a.m. Where y'all at, chat? Who pip and dipped earlier? Let's see. Pip and dip. Oh, we had some pip and dippers here. Pip and dippers. Pip and dippers.
There's always some pip and
They
dippers,
just
dude.
happened to leave around 8:30, right around the time we closed partials. How you doing? Pip and dipped.
That's messed up, bro.
Let's see, can we make
That's
a higher
messed
high?
up.
Guys, if you guys can like the stream, man, that would mean like the world to me here today. Like if you took that trade, give the stream a like here.
Yeah, like the stream up, chat.
Let's go.
My man Nick shows up here every day.
They got
Never
scammed and
misses.
left. We scanned them for 30 plus pips and then they dipped.
My man gives that free wisdom, free analysis, free trades. Come on, give him a like.
And giveaways, man. Holy.
And giveaways.
Who's in the buy? Who's in?
Not
Who's
yet,
in?
bro. Not yet.
Tell us now. Don't tell us when this thing reaches TP before 9:30. Let us know if you're in now. But this is good. If you guys
Not
are
in
in
yet,
now,
bro.
it's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. Just going to be a little bit more patient and wait for this candle to close.
Yo,
Where
good
the
luck
lights
everyone
at?
who's in. I hope I see you guys at the top.
Hey,
chart.
I hope you guys have a little bit of break even for a few minutes just to wait for me and John. Because technically this is a celery play here.
And a breakout.
And a 30 breakout.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, if this wick would have been a little shorter, closer to like this wick, I think I would have liked it better. I just don't like how we broke the high here and then just closed back below, because we are looking at the 15 chart, right? So the 15 chart is what we're looking at. So we'll see.
I feel you.
My man stops at B. Oh, you chilling. You chilling.
Damn strong.
Let me get some more water here. I'll be right back.
My bad, my bad. Let's get chat. Yeah, just ran to the restroom. I didn't know Nick dips. At BE, nice man, good stuff. Good stuff. Just about tapped in. Good luck, J4 trades. I mean, yeah, I'm expecting gold to finish up bullish here. You know, with the daily being bullish, respecting previous lows. The 4-hour created 4-hour was heavily bearish and then created an exhaustion wick to the downside and forming a support. High chance we go up. You know, after creating a bottom wick too on the 4-hour. So yeah, I mean, I think gold looks good to continue up. I don't know if it's not a definite that it's gonna continue up. All I know, or all I can go off is you know, my read on price and what the candles are saying and how they're forming. Yeah, it looks good to continue up. Gonna go B before news. Nice, Chala. Yeah, do your thing, bro. We got news at 10, so we got some time. I'm thinking, you know, 9:30 volume can come in and potentially push us up in this range.
Facts. Yo, Felix, congratulations on passing your evaluation here, bro. Big W. Let's
Congrats,
go.
dude. Nice.
After a few months, finally got funded, baby. W.
Lovely. It's awesome.
Really good, really good. Good stuff, man. Congratulations, Felix. If you're still here. this thing may rip here. We have 6 minutes left. Yeah, 5 closed above here. This may push. This may push. I'm gonna just stay patient and just keep to my plan, waiting on the 15 to close here. What up, Landon?
Up to Goldie.
What's good? What's good?
What's up, Landon?
How you
Good morning, bro.
doing?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Me and John both live in Florida. Both got hoodies on. I swear, Florida, it's cold everywhere else besides outside.
Yeah, right. It's nice though, you know. You get too cold outside, inside. You just open the door.
You want
Go out-
summer?
go
Go outside. Winter? Go inside.
Legit, bro. Legit. Yeah, man. I had to lower my AC, man. I'm freezing in here. To get my hoodie.
It's chilly.
I'd be shivering, you know.
You shivering? Shit.
Hell yeah.
Shivering. Already had 1 win, so no FOMO. Yeah, we already collected 34 pips here today, so I just want to wait for my ideal setup. So I drew this setup out earlier. I'm just gonna wait on it.
Yeah, one good trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. That's how I've been going about it.
Yeah.
All I need is one trade a day.
It's hot in Georgia. Georgia. All right, 4 minutes left. For 9:30. Then we got news here at 10.
Annoying.
Nas? Oh man, I didn't even look at the NASDAQ today. What's Nas doing? Same thing? Similar?
Not a bad impulse buy on us on the 30
NASDAQ.
minute.
Chala, don't put too heavy positions in here, man. Calm down, bro. Wait for the. I don't want you pumping the market here without me. Chala, man, be stealing all the pips.
Taking all the moves.
Nas to the moon. What time is the NY open? It's coming in here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 9:30 a.m. Eastern.
9:30 is about to juice us up.
Four hour looks like it's got plenty of range here to push up.
Really does.
Hold the line. Hold it.
Hold on, I gotta lower this some more. Man.
What up, YOLO Trader? What's good? What's good?
What's up, YOLO Trader?
If you haven't liked the stream, gang, give the stream a like here today.
Good luck, armor god protection. Or production, sorry.
Production.
Good luck with your challenge. That'll leave us a top wick.
Leave the top wick. Might not. Might not. When did I officially quit a 9 to 5? 2019. 2019. Been a full-time entrepreneur. And I was already a part-time entrepreneur before that for years. All right. Boom. All right, I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the break of the highs here on gold. Right here. If we break that high, you should see some high volume come in and start pushing up towards 44 there. So buy stop here, and then pretty much, yeah, this is going to be a break-even trade after like 23.40, I would say. And just let it run towards like 43 up there. Yeah, ideally bottom wick right here would be perfect, and then break the high, that'd be great. John doing the Johnny Manziel. Shmoney.
Shmoney. Yeah, price looks like it's the direction's looking like it's trying to trend bullish, right? So it looks like candles are starting to create higher highs and higher lows as well.
Yeah, so our buy stop is also the break of the 4-hour high too. So that's very good. And it's 9:30 here as well. So I like the fact that we're making this bottom wick. I may adjust my stop to use that current bottom wick now that we're pretty steep. Yeah. Yeah, let me redo this. Buy stop, boom, and set. Yeah, so wherever that low is, that's where my stop loss will be. So I'm gonna keep them there right now as we set the order, but once this breaks the high, wherever that low is, that's gonna be my stop. If we end up re-breaking the 4-hour highs, then I'm gonna delete these buy stops here and wait on a 15 closure, and if you close below there, you should see a rip down now, right? If you're re-breaking the 4-hour lows again. So yeah, just gonna wait. Why stop so big? Where else are we gonna put them? Right? This wouldn't work. That got wiped out. These are the only valid stops here currently. You know what I mean? We can't just put it right, you know, in the middle because it doesn't make sense, right? The only option here that makes sense right now is these lows here. Once this candle finishes making its bottom wick, I mean, I will adjust it a little bit higher, but that's all we got here in terms of logical parameters on the chart to keep a stop loss. You know, that's also the 4-hour lows there too. So if the 4-hour re-breaks its own high, that would be pretty sketchy, right? If we broke our high again and then broke the low, that would be super weird, but it could happen. But that's why my stops are there, and As of right now, it's the only logical spot. There, now that's a wick. What up, the groomsmith? Pew, 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 pew. We also got news at 10 a.m. here. So let's pay attention. Let's see if we end up breaking the 4-hour low again, which it looks like we are about to here. Later. I'll be right back, right? We're going to see if we break these lows, but give me 1 sec.
Can we respect it or break it? Let's see. Trade's only invalid if we re-break those lows. Goldie's gonna do whatever. Yep, lows are being broken. Flower may have different plans here. We'll see. Hey, Rohan, well, good thing you didn't take it, man. Yeah, like I said, I mean, the only way this trend can be invalid if the higher highs and higher lows are broken. So, see how price reacts to these lows. Anything could happen. Those of you who are in buys, I wish you great luck. I still think there's a good chance this goes up. Gold may be chilling for news, maybe. Yeah, coming back down to
Goldie over there, having some conversations with the lows. Sheesh. See, that's yeah, that's what could happen at 9:30. You deleted, John?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I'm about ready to delete. Yeah, we may have to wait for news here. We'll see how the 15 closes here, and then we'll make that decision. Or I'll make it. I'll make it. Y'all do what you gotta do. Made 15% on my live account. Let's go, Perez. Even took a withdrawal for pizza. Hey, you need money now for pizza, man. Damn. Pizza used to be $1.50, $1.25 a slice. Back in New York, like what New Yorkers do is they'll go, like I don't see them doing it this much in Florida, but like you just randomly go stop for a slice of pizza. right? Like that's just like a normal thing to do. Like just pull up to any pizzeria, grab a slice. Over here they only sell them by the pie. It's like, come on, bro. But there's a one or two places where they do sell them by the slice. Man, I went and got one. Thing cost me $5. $5 for a cheese, for a slice, a regular slice of pizza, man. Holy. Talk about inflation. All right, yeah, I'm going to delete these now and see if we can get a better read here. So my BE from earlier is coming up. See if that would get tapped here. Stay down. It's $5 for a whole pie. Damn. In Romania? Sheesh. I'm gonna have to come visit you for some pizza. Yo, $5, man, for one slice. And they had the audacity to ask me if I wanted a drink. I'm like, yo. And a tip. Hey, what's up with the tip? Bring back the wad. Yeah, hey chat, I deleted my buy stops here. So no more buy stops. Time to delete. TTD. Deleted. Yo, I'm bringing back the wad. Typically, I like to keep like $1,000 cash all the time because I just feel better when I mean, who doesn't feel better, right? When you got a G stack in your pocket all the time, nice, fresh, crispy hundreds. But then you don't have to deal with the automatic tip BS that they got going on out here. Y'all swiping your cards using Apple Pay. The guy's like, hey, it's just gonna ask you a question down there. It's like, no, it's gonna ask me if I want to leave a tip for you putting my slice of pizza in the oven and handing it to me on a paper plate. I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm already giving you a tip. $5 here. I say you want a tip. Here's a tip. Lower the price for the pizza, dude. No wonder why no one's coming here. I look straight in his eyes and tap no tip. That's gonna be a no tip. Yay! But when you got cash, baby, cash is king. You just dodged the question now. Doink. No tip, son. Yes, I did delete. Yeah, I deleted. A normal pizza here in Iran is $2. Yeah, but is that like some New York pizza though? Some cheesy bread? But damn, $2? Holy. Hey chat, who's still in that buy? I'd imagine stops were like down here, right? The lowest. I think a lot of you guys went break even, right? How much steak costs these days? Yo, I pay $75 on average for four ribeyes. Decently big ribeyes, but which isn't too bad. Sometimes some restaurants are more than that, but like some restaurants charge you that for like one. But damn, man, $75. New plan now. Yeah, we're gonna see how the 15 closure is coming up here in a minute, but I don't see anything for me on this 15, so I'm gonna wait for news here. Remember what I said about the 4-hour, right? As long as we respect this low down here, this 4-hour candle can still move up, break the highs, and drive. So it can break all those lows at once, but as long as it respects the 4-hour low, which is sitting right here, then it's still good to go up. So just gonna sit tight and wait. Check charts for stream. Yeah, 1 sec. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. So gold, 30-minute time frame, pre-London, took sells after 30-minute closure. This one, I guess, right? Waited for a retracement, form 30-minute entry, break of the low, still lost. Any advice? Took out 1:30 a.m. Pre-London. Usually that's gonna go. It looks like today during pre-London you decided to come up, grab some liquidity, and then make the big push down. So sometimes you're just gonna be right about the direction, off about the timing. Really nothing we could do there. I mean, I like it. You waited for that resistance, top wick on this candle, got entered in. Unfortunately, the next candle just happened to push up there. So that's what we call probability, right? That's what we call, sometimes you can sit there and scratch your head all day long wondering what the hell happened, and you'll never know, right? Price just does these random things sometimes, and that's why we operate in probabilities, because it could look the best trade you ever seen and still do something like this, take you out and continue down. So I think that was just a bad probability, man. 1:30 a.m. is typically a good time to take the trades. They're in pre-London, so I don't think it was a bad trade at all. Higher time frames, what were they? Were they bearish? I forget. I think higher time frames were bearish, right? Let's take a look at 1:30 here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so 4 hours bear, closed up bearish. You had this move. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, I don't think it was a bad trade though. Because I mean, looking right here, right, that looks like a pretty solid trade to me. Resistance formed, trying to retest that support, maybe break below it. You get in, beautiful entry, but then boink, you know, it happens. It happens. And then look, how you doing? How you doing? Holy. Part of the game, brother. All right, are we respecting the 4 hour low here? Yep, we respected that low. So we'll see how we do here. What age did I get married? Don't ask me that when my wife's around, bro. I think 28. 28. 28, 29. Yeah, I've been with my wife since I was like 21, 22, 21 years old. Was I a trader before I got married? No. I was just getting into trading. Yeah, you know what? I was trading a little bit, but nothing to be like, yeah, I was a trader at that point. Like, I was just kind of flirting with the concepts and the ideas. Hey, yo, chill. Come on, guy code, man. Guy code. All right, let's see what happens here. So we're expecting 4 hour lows. We got news coming in. That may push us back up, or if we break those lows, most likely we're going to head down to fill that wick there. 23.16. Struggle on that anniversary day, but hey, 34 lots, June 26th, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning.
Nick doesn't remember the anniversary date.
Was I right about that? June 26th. 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God. Oh man. Hope my wife be my wife be studying the streams too. Some more than some of you guys. Kids nowadays aren't even aware of guy code. Some of these kids aren't even aware that they're a guy, which is pretty crazy. Even Alea knows the difference. I asked Alea, hey,
sad.
what's mommy? What's daddy? What's Kingston? What's Maverick? And she seems to understand and know without an issue. So I really don't know what's complicating things out there. It might be the tap water or maybe the Fruit Loops that we've been eating since we were younger. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe that, and maybe the devil
Whoa!
too.
I didn't just say that.
Goes with it.
What happened?
Yeah, bro. Facts, 100%.
Hey, no bottom wick here. No bottom wick. Did we respect the low? We respected the lows. We closed a no bottom wick on the 15. So this may be our pump back up. I need to wait for support here, though. Have to. Not going to take any impulsive trades here. I just hopped back in. Oh, no. Armor of God, baby. Let's get it. This stream will not be up tomorrow. Nah, if we keep pushing the topic, it might go down. So we'll go to school, get a good education, people, get a great job, work for that company for 40 years as best as you can, be as committed as possible, take on as much overtime without extra pay as you possibly can, and get your, what do they give you? A golden pen, right? Golden pen at the end of your 40 years of hard work and dedication, and be happy with it and enjoy eating the cat food for the last couple years of your life. Yes, that is the plan.
If you're thirsty, you know, save money and don't buy your own Spring Valley water, but drink the water fountain at your job and eat some Fruit Loops in the morning, and maybe microwave a dinner too for dinner.
Either microwave dinner or McDonald's. You can't go wrong with it.
Or just go, or just, you know, drive. It's very easy. You just drive on the drive-through line and get McDonald's.
And don't waste your money on Mountain Valley water with the glass bottles. Just save money and drink out the hose or the sink.
Yeah.
Drink out of your bathtub.
And then eat crumble cookie for dessert.
Oh, man. Sounds like a W. Drink out of the toilet. Toilet water. Can't go wrong.
And when you get home after a long day of work, you know, don't study on like yourself. Don't go over your dreams, but turn on Netflix and watch like your favorite show.
Pound down Red Bulls and watch pornography. Perfect.
And then watch pornography after.
Go get her, man. Go get her.
Give you some love.
Go get her. WWW. Gutter water will do it. Yeah. Why does the McRib have bone stamped in it? Holy, I wouldn't know, bro. I never seen a McRib in person. Didn't you said Mountain something? Mountain Dew? No, bro. Mountain Valley. Oh. You guys are funny, man. How do you guys think of this stuff, chat? Where does it come from? You guys just pull this stuff out of a hat, huh? All right, let's keep an eye on this 4-hour low. No more kidding. Trading time. Red Bull and Baby Shark. Who's in the buy
Might
still?
bounce, bro. With news at 10.
TK. Yeah. You're gonna call it a day, maybe?
Yeah, what are you saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay for a few more minutes. By the way, chat, I don't know if I should be saying this, but you guys haven't seen Scott here the last couple days. Him and his wife just had a brand new baby boy, Mr. Noah. So you guys can, if you guys can pray for Noah, And Scott and his family, they're hanging out, enjoying their new little one. And yeah, they'll probably bring him home in a day or two.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, baby Noah. Noah
Noah.
Seat.
That's a good name. I like that name.
Yeah, it's a nice name. Scotty boy. Yeah, I don't know if he wanted me to tell y'all, but we all family here, man. So we got a new member of the family, little Noah.
I'm gonna hit up Scott after the stream.
He's gonna have like 800 people messaging him. So like, how did these guys know? Yeah, I might have said something on the stream. Did someone else say look at charts for stream? I think I seen someone else say that, right? Let's while we wait 5 minutes here, let's just take a peek here and see what's in charts for stream today. We didn't really go through too much. So closures below. Wow, this is a very nice trade. Close full here. Looks like you took the entry here. I'm assuming that may have been the break of this candle's own low. So maybe it pushed down first, came up, flipped, entry. Nice. Nice trade. Yeah, gold sells were really, really nice throughout London here today. Let's see what we got here. Hi. So, okay, I think it's over here is the trade. No, which trade are we looking at? I see a few trades here. I don't know what I'm looking at. Sell here. Close here. All right. Yeah, awesome. I'm not too sure how to go about that one because I can't really understand what's happening here. But yeah, maybe if you send it again with some new information, I can kind of see it better. What's this? There we go. Perfect. Thank you. So, okay, so sells here. This is a 30-minute time frame, somewhat of a swing trade over here, huh? So, okay, cool. So sells here. You held the whole time, man. Great job. And yeah, close down here. Beautiful. Nice trade. Nice trade. Nice trade. 30-minute time frame. Damn. What was this? You were holding this from what, yesterday? Or Asian? W. Let's take a look at this one. Bearish bias, broke the lows, 15-minute engulfing. All right. This was an Asian session last night, I think. Not 100% positive. Let's see. Yeah, Asian session. Okay, cool. So I think I took this trade too, I believe. Booby trap. Took a buy here. Ooh, almost got stopped and hit TP. Nice job. Took sells here. Bearish, break the lows. Nice. Exhaustion wick. Pre-London. Volume kicking in. Nice. Yeah, someone else took that trade, right? We reviewed somebody else's trade just like this. And then price broke below. Yeah, nice job. Yeah, sells worked out. Lovely, man. Lovely sells last night. What else? What else we got? Excuse me. Sells below here, buys above. Okay, I like your range. Entry up here on the breakout. Waited for top wick. Current candle stops. Beautiful. And yeah, nice job. Nice trade. Simple playbook stuff, right? I mean, the playbook is so like simple. You know what I mean? Like if you can just be disciplined and the big thing is the commitment to it. Right, if you can actually commit to it over time, it'll bring you results. And to be honest, man, a lot of you guys that are trading the playbook isn't trading kind of beginning to get a little bit more simplified, right? It's not as complicated as it once was because you now have a roadmap every day. You now know exactly what you're looking for, when you're looking for it, and you know how to read price now, right? That doesn't happen unless you commit. Right, and I mean commit for like a couple months, right? So you can get the gist of it. Damn, we're really pushing here. Broke all the lows. 100%, a million percent. Let's go, W's. Yeah, that honestly, that's my goal here as the host of the live stream, is to get trading to make sense to as many people as possible and get them off of the idea that this thing is going to be super easy and that you don't have to commit and you can just press buttons and blah 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 blah. Like, you know, everyone else is selling that dream, right? So the idea here is to let you know, hey, it is hard, but it can be simple. But you've got to commit to a specific system and stick with it, man. Then what happens is you become better, and guess what the markets do? The markets continue to do pretty much the same things over and over and over again. So the market very rarely changes drastically, but your knowledge and your experience does. So the more knowledge, the more experience you gain, the more of a read you gain on your system, because price does the same thing every day. I mean, go back and look at all of our trades, right? They're pretty much the same exact trades every single time. Every time. Right? So you gotta look at things like, do I want to reinvent the wheel, or do I just want to follow a proven system that works? Doesn't work 100% of the time, but it works enough to, you know, pull profits. All right, so here's the news coming out. So the 4 hours beginning to push back up here. We did break the low, so that's a bit tough. 30-minute, you know, all this stuff is kind of floating back up now. So let's see what happens on this original pump, and then we'll go from there. Numbers came out right around what was it? Oh, actually, I'm sorry. It's still pending here. So they're looking at less numbers here. Let's see. If this is not the greatest news for the dollar, then that 4 hours should start to pump. Tricky price action here from 9 to 11 here. Did we get anything yet? Oh yeah, oh wow, red numbers here, so sheesh. By a long shot too. So yeah, gold should continue moving up here. I just need to wait for a little bit more of a confirmation, and then the buys may be back in play. There's two numbers. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I think we should move up here, but we need a closure. Gold a trickster today? Yeah, a little bit of a trickster here, especially this move down. That was such an aggressive move down. But you got to think about the market, right? Like how many traders were in buys right above this range here, targeting these areas up here, with stops sitting below here, right? And the lowest right below structure down here. So this candle wipes them all out, and then we begin to move back up. Right before news, you go down, you stop them all out, and then boom, drive back up. So we'll see if we can get that drive up. We're pushing pretty good here. Spread is not even a pip. Lovely. I took one Asian, please look it up for a sec. Charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah. You're a TTE member for a whole year, wanting to learn his strategy and post a chart. Nick says, if that's your plan, that's your plan, then follow it, man. Oh man. Alright, Asian sesh. So yeah, nice. Wish I could zoom in on this a little bit, but Yeah, very similar to what we did here today, right? Only I don't think there was much of an impulse, but yeah, buy to come up to fill that wick. I see where you're trying to head to. I probably would have closed partials a little bit before that wick fill, and then let the rest of it run. But yeah, good trade, man. Sells, yeah, a lot of you guys took advantage of sells last night, which is great. Beautiful closure below here. Got your closure below, and then look at that. Next candle is drive down, looking towards that area for BE, and then profit down there. Lovely. That's exactly what I would do. Yeah, so we tapped in a 32 there, right on the nose. So let's see what we do. Oh yeah, the buy I took at 8 a.m. today. Yeah, the 1 hour close bullish. That was a 1 hour impulse entry here. So we explained it a few times, but you know, in short terms, right, in layman's terms, you had price move down, you lost steam, you had NY open coming in. This candle closed very weak bearish, buy stop on the break of the highs, and targeting that wick to fill, and that was it. Really was trying to get up towards like 39 here, but we didn't do that. But I closed partials at the wick fill, moved stops like 20 pips in profit, and then that got hit. You'll see me take a lot of these trades. This was my 12th trade taken like that over the last month. So anything that has impulse here, if you guys go back and watch it, most of these, I think almost all these trades, maybe 2 or 3 of them out of the 12 were not taken on the stream, but the rest were all taken, you know, on the live stream. So check them out, and they're pretty much the same idea every time. All right, let's see, 15 minutes. Give me 1 sec. Crazy, crazy.
Yeah, what an aggressive move down. Sheesh. Was not expecting 4 hour lows to get smacked like that. FTMO is completely frozen, just missed all my profit. Damn. What do you mean they're frozen? Yeah, that 4 hour came to that support now too at 23.21. Good morning, Engineer 14. Yes, brother, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
All right, this ain't looking too hot to me, to be honest. Let's see, 15 closure in 6 minutes, 30 minutes still open. Yeah, chat, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. Doesn't look too pretty right now. It really doesn't. I think you need some sort of support here. I would rather wait on the 30 at this point because this 15 is very iffy. And the 30 doesn't close for like another 20 minutes. So I think we're going to call it a day, and we'll wrap it up there. One trade, beautiful buys taken today. NY Open impulse trade, got another one under our belt. And other than that, nothing really kind of stood out to me too much here. Yeah, I'll probably leave the desk for 30 minutes or so, come back and see if there's any opportunities. But that's it. The only thing here is I would say is wait for a 30 closure, and if you can get a bullish closure, then you can anticipate the 4-hour starting to come back up, right? I would be very careful around 32. That'd be like my break-even point as you fill that wick, and then if you can get up and break that 4-hour high again, that's where you should see another push, which is right here. So that's what I'm gonna look for. Sells, yeah, there's good sells below here. We'll see what happens. You got clean traffic coming down towards 15, so big closure here. I'd wait for the 30 if I were you. That's what I'm gonna do. I wouldn't take it on the 15 here right now, but 30 closures below look pretty clean. So that's it, man. One trade here today, one good trade, and on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
John, we going for a walk, or what are you doing?
Yeah, just hit me up.
Walk it like I talk it. All right, cool.
All right.
I'll holler at you in a few.
I'll talk to you later. Bet. Peace out, chat. Hope you guys have a great day. All right, peace.
Chat, love y'all. Mods, thanks for pulling up. As always, the mod squad rolls deep. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And just keep an eye on the markets here. I think give this a little bit of time, and you may have another opportunity. But that's going to be it, folks. So enjoy the day. Blessings to you and your family. And we'll see y'all tomorrow, all right? Love y'all. Peace. Deuce.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
We have to take this time, I'm pondering about the skyline. You walk with me by the Sunday, just to see the sunrise. Every time I learn wrong, on my way to do shows. Wasn't like this before, I want this to be broke. Someone who's before close. Walking your levels on God, pushing to the limit cause I'm never going for. They pray, come could put me on time, I can start swing when I wanna shake what I want. Times and times every time in my heart. Got down but I still be going in hard. Trick the shocks on, stick on one side, heaven is to go, so I'm starting to take my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of running down to life. He's ready his love for all to step into his life. In here he the logic of living first to die. He saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Got the blood of the lamb that's paid on my debt. I am free. Ain't no stress, I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man I won't let the enemy rest.